What is up, guys? Lim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and you are not ready for today's squad. Today we have a ADV Classic squad. ADV Classic, to be honest. Just look at this Alakazam set. It's a physical Alakazam with Fire Punch, Ice Punch, Drain Punch, and Psychic. Because given the Gliscor usage, I said like why not? Given the Gliscor and Scizor on every team, I said like why not? Screw it. We are gonna be using the physical Alakazam. Yeah. We are gonna be using Pipnite squads. Yeah, physical Alakazam. And we have a chip damage squad. We have Hazard stack with Hail as well. Yeah, we have a Hail Hazard stack. Also, we have the Bright Fire Powder Mamoswine with Snow Cloak. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun live today. Also, we are very high in the ladder as well. So before we begin the live, guys, we are on the road to 5k, and also I'm uploading 1 to 2 videos daily, serving the most heated up content exclusively from the industry. So head over to my channel, hit that sub button, and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the video. That is. Alrighty, let's begin. Let's get a game with the chip damage physical Alakazam squad. Oh wow, Snow Cloak is banned. Okay, I forgot Snow Cloak has been banned from all tiers. The evasion abilities. Okay, it hasn't banned for all tiers, no problem. Then let's use Thick Fat and let's use our favorite item, I guess. Never Melt Ice. Never Melt Ice or Leftovers. I can even run Muscle Band if I wanna. Muscle Band. Oh, let's run Never Melt Ice because this Icicle Crash shiz be hitting hard. And okay, let's use my signature Mamoswine then. What is my signature Mamoswine? Signature Mammy. Just a quick sec. Is there a signature Mammy set? Yeah, this one. Yeah, we are gonna be using the signature Mammy set. Then you did not be shiny. Okay. Evasion abilities has been banned from all tiers. I thought it was banned from the that Sword and Shield meta. Okay, so we have an Aether Fleet squad versus Aether Bleed. I wanna first I have to break its sash. This might have Fire Blast, so Fire Blast can be annoying. I think I'll lead up with a Mammy here. Yeah, I'm gonna crash this boy. First I crash this boy. Odd he has that. Yeah, he had an energy ball. What to say? What can I say? So he goes to the crab cakes. Here I can switch to my what do I switch to? My Storm isn't that important. I can get my layers up. Yeah, I want to keep my Mammy, at least it's better. 61. Oh my god. Look at the damage it's doing. My Snowbomber is faster than that. So that's a good sign. So I wanna, let's see if I can get my spikers up. Oh, it's slow. It's super slow. It's Trick Room Crab or something. Okay, he doesn't have a switch into this. We should be faster than Heatran, right? We have max special attack this Giga Drain. Let's see. Are we faster than you? I wanna go to my Cruel regardless. I might be faster, but I don't wanna risk any speed type. I don't want to risk the speed at all because here I can go for the knockoff. Who took hail damage first? Okay, so I think he's not running any speed. I wanna get my knockoff on this boy. Outpower, that's okay, his damage. I'm gonna go to my Snowbomber. On the potential protect. Oh, perfect. You wonder what I wanna do? I wanna like go for the Earthquake on the Tran and kill it off. Yeah. This Snowbomber is a huge problem, man. This hell chip damage, let's go. So, I have a kind of Blissey kind of for you. He goes for the Draco. I want to get everything in my Snowbomber range. So, let's get my shits up. He can go to the Crawdon. He can go to the Crab. Thinking, should I sack this? I want to keep the Mammy for Ice Shard. I have Drain Punch Alakazam. How much does Drain Punch do to Crab? Let's just calc once. Let's just calc. I want to import the team real quick. I want to see how much this Drain Punch is gonna do. So let's damage Cal. Just import the team real quick. So let's go to my what it's called. So we have a Crawdon. Oh USD. I think this is running a lot of HP. Custom set, Drain Punch. Oh yeah, and it's this running a lot of HP. What do we sack? I obviously don't want to sack my Blissey. Blissey is really good. Tentacruel, I think Cruel is kicking the bucket now. Yeah. This is some HP invested because it's lower than my Scumps. I think it's a max HP, some bullshit. But here I go to my Snowbama. And I hope this Giga Drain kills. Yes, it does kill. Let's run the small calc. Obama Snow, custom set. Giga Drain. Oh yeah, it's a guaranteed kill. He goes to the Lanti. See this chip damage. He's gonna take chip damage. He's gonna take. Come on, Lottie. No problem. We have a Mammy. We have the T-Wave. We have all that good stuff going on. You wanna see what I do here? Watch this play. 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 The Ice Punch Alakazam. The Ice Punch life of Alakazam. It's gonna be 50 damage. Oh, 55. Oh no. We got the hell chip damage. Nice chip. And yeah, my Snowbomb is gonna wrap up the game. Oh, the physical Alakazam coming on clutch. We have the physical Alakazam. Industry classic. So, let's go to my Snowbama. Yeah, let's go to Snowbama and wrap this boy up. Oh, what the hell? It should work, right? Oh, it's not working for some reason. Working for some reason. It's max attack. It's max attack. Okay, it goes to Glaze, so pretty much I can, yeah, turn. It's kinda good given the amount of place and speed up says Ice Punch and life of Fire Punch. What's this? Actually, yeah, I've given it a lot of thought. It's not for memes, to be honest. It's Ice Punch and Life of Fire Punch, yeah. He goes to Tom. Yeah, I don't need to do anything here. I just can Shadow Ball. I don't need to predict. Or do I need to? How much speed is this boy running? That's the biggest question. Tom's me. I hope he's not like max speed or something. Yep. Yeah, that would have got scary, but we are running a max speed Snowbama. So yeah, and this is gonna be GG. Yep. the chip damage, the tech putting in a lot of work. Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, let's get the next game. Yep. Okay, we got a game versus this guy. The Chip Damage Squad. Is Chip Damage Squad doing anything? Let's have a quick look. So, what do we lead off with? Is this he has also like hazard spam. Okay, okay. Tenta looks really good. Scam looks kind of okay. It's not the best. This one. I think I Tenta him. Yeah. Because we're a Tenta, we should leave a hit from this. So wanna say no, this boy. Or I can get my rocks up here, wanna. Or let's get a free knock. Yeah, because this Rotom is not a problem though, but it can be annoying for the Mammy. Oh, this offensive. Or it does that much. Jirachi, is this psychic? I wanna knock it out. Oh, he is Zenbi. Okay, so free Scam, I guess. Yeah. Wanna stack him up as well. Goes to the Tommy. I will leave this Volt Switch. The play will be hard Mammy. Hard Mammy is the actual play. Because my Mamoswine is good, to be honest. It is good. He can always spin, right? I wanna roost up once on the Volt. Yeah, I wanna roost up once. Brave Bird would have been a fine play. He goes with the Dawn Fan. Okay. He can knock me off if he wants to. I wanna get some chip damage. He knocks my shit off. Yeah, I wanna get some chip damage on you. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is bad, but I wanna hard. Yeah, because it is offensive as hell. This is hell offensive. Wanna earthquake this boy. Yeah, get some good damage. 33. Is this some defensive Jirachi? Because it takes you don't get any steel move, right? You can like U-turn and stuff. This showed a turn, right? I wanna sack my Scams to get a spin off. This is rocks. Yeah, I wanna sack my Scam and get a spin off first. Yeah. Oh, he's Zen, but is this like max speed? Yeah, we're defensive. Get the spin off. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is really good. Now, I can go to my Zam. And I think Life Orb Psychic kills this, right? Or let's fire punch this boy. Oh, yeah. I wanna say Ice Punch will kill this. But am I in a position to make that play? I don't think so, because Alakazam looks so good, man. Alakazam looks incredible this game. I think I go to Miami always. I'm gonna suck. Wanna get them up. I wanna get him up. He goes to Tommy. Okay. So, is it 77, right? I cannot let him. Yeah, I go to my Bomber Snow. Yeah, I go for the. I wanna click the Blizzard so bad here. I wanna click the Blizzard. Or yeah, let's kick it in case he tries to. Oh, yeah, that Roserade, yeah, Roserade will take chip damage. We have Ice Shard as well. I'm going for game with my. Oh, he sacked this. Perfect. He goes to Dawn Fan, right? Does Ice Shard kill me? I think I am not in a position to predict. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we got the best case. I think he was spinning. Yeah, we were not in a position to do that. Okay, now I hope this is not Scarfed. Scarf can be problematic. I think I sack my Blissey here. This is Scarfed. You actually Scarfed. Okay, let him do that. Wanna psych? This is Scarfed. He's sacking something. Psychic him. Kill this Roserade off. I need chip damage on this boy. I need my chip damage. Like, you think he's turning, right? I can't give my Snowbomber. Yeah, let's go to my Mammy. If he close combats. Yeah, he turns. Perfect. So the Tommy. So for you, do I want to get my Hail up? Because Hail chip is gonna be kind of nice. Yeah, let's get my Hail up. This is gonna be an interesting game. This is gonna be a very interesting match. He volts out. Yeah, if he goes to Nape, if he goes to Nape, I get some chip damage. If he goes to Crow, I think, yeah, it's in eye shot range. It's in eye shot range. This run adamant, right? 240. Let me just check something. I wanna just check something. This run adamant. Come on. Haunch Crow, how much speed do you hit? Please don't be more than 240. Oh shit, man. Like, this is gonna be close. Delete. This is gonna be close. Like, does he sucker punch me here? Oh yes, 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 sir, yes, sir, yes, yes, yes. So he goes to Nape. He takes all that damage. Yeah, the physical Alakazam. Yeah, the chip damage squad. Look at the rating. Look at the rating. The 1663, the chip damage squad. Putting in the physical Gen 2 Alakazam. Putting in enormous amount of the Gored Tentacruel got the spin off. That was like huge, huge, huge. That was huge. And I realized we are insanely weak to Rotom. I'm thinking of running like Freeze Dry. Yeah. Oh, we have double rocks. Come on, man. Come on. We don't need double rocks. No speed F, I guess. No speed F. Freeze Dry for the Tommies. For Tommies. There was that aim set which told like how much special attack EVs I need. I just screw this. I'm gonna invest the remaining in this special attack because we are faster than Adam and Breloom. Yeah, I wanna just freeze dry something. Yeah. Let's get the next game. The physical Alakazam, you love to see it. The old physical Alakazam. Oh, this gold. Alt is gold. Let's get the next game. Let's not waste much time and let's get the next game. So, okay, we got a game versus Antarctica Chill versus the Antarctica squad. What is gonna lead off with? I think, regardless, my Tenta looks like a solid leader with the Tenta. Okay, this wasn't that much solid. I need this for the scissor. At least I need this or this for the scissor. Not the wisest play I made here. I think I knock into Sludge. I think I have to knock here. Get the band. Yeah. And I Sludge him. Oh, perfect. Yeah. This is a huge problem. This was a huge problem though. Go to my Snowbama. I think, yeah. Get some chip damage with Blizzard. On the incoming. I can double to my Scum if I wanna, but he might stay in. So, don't wanna predict. Or he goes to Clef. Takes a huge hit. 42. Yeah. Takes a huge chunk. I'll go to you. I wanna. Wishes. Get him up. I don't mind this. I do mind this a lot. Yeah, because now I'm in a terrible position now. Yeah, I lost to the scissor. I can't sack my Scum. If I sack my Scum, I lost to scissor. Sack my Mamoswine. I should, but I don't have anything to. Oh my god, I'm in huge trouble. I have to go to Scum. Oh, we got. Oh, forgot I got rid of the band. Yeah. Got rid of the band. That's good. We got rid of the band. Don't just grab hammer, punch my face. Shit. I was pretty sure Shadow Ball wouldn't kill this, so yeah, I had to go for the. I think Rocks was the overall better play. This was gonna be high tough. This is gonna be tough. It's gonna be very tough. Goes to Clef. Yeah. Get my spike up. This took hail damage, right? Perfect. We are gonna roll it off. I hope you don't have. Oh! Look at that! Oh my god! Next game. I can't believe we are doing this in 1700s with the physical Alakazam. Oh, yeah, he knew because I would roll it off and he couldn't break. Because that physical Alakazam would go ham on him. Ice Punch this too, Fire Punch for this Shizard, Psychic for the Rotom. Yeah, we are packing. Let's get the next game. let's get the next game. I think it will take some time to get a game, so while we get our next game, so we can watch a battle, I guess. We can watch someone. 1500s. Please be patient versus Serene Grace the best. Who is this? Ooh. Why didn't you bullet punch? Oh, why didn't you bullet? Oh, one more Hail Squad. Oh, Hail Squad, Hail Squad. But we have the best Hail Squad. Goes to the Frost Storm. Volts out too. Who is dying here? Go to the Starmie. Go to the Starmie. Starmie should take one, unless it's like it's defensive. It should take one pretty easily. Yeah. Oh, I lied. I lied. I lied. I freaking lied. Okay, you got lucky. Why did you scald? You should freely come. This guy's be really these days. Why do you scald instead of recover? Please recover. No. Unfortunate. No, he gets a free. Okay. We are waiting for the stall guy. So, first timer up. This spinner is very annoying. The Starmie spinner is very annoying. I wanna Alakazam can throw some hits. Like, don't wanna eat a knock. I think I get my heal up first. Let him go to that. I don't mind. I go to this. He gets the orb activation, right? Should have played up with the Scizor at Fire First on his face. If I go to this, he goes to the Tran. I think I am okay versus Tran. I think I'm more weak to the Gliscor. Yeah, I think I go to my Scams here. Mammy looks so good, man. Mammy looks insane. Oh. Alrighty. Oh, he's taunt. You taunt knockoff. Oh yes, he's taunt knockoff. He's the stupid set. Oh, I think here what I do is I go to my. I need my Nevermelt Ice. I think I go to my Snowbama. He knocks me off. He's forced to switch out here. I want to go to my Tentacruel. Knock something off. Oh, this is really nice. Sludge bomb you. Yeah, let us bomb him. Let's bomb him. Or he might. Or he gets that. Powerful para. Perfect. Yeah. He gets 2 powerful paras. I wanna shadow ball this boy. Oh, nice chip damage. Nice chip damage. Yeah. We are gonna get our rocks up regardless. I want my rocks up. Get him up. I want my shits up. Yeah, let him waste his recovers. I am gonna be getting my rocks up at any cost. When I said I will. Stop me. But the worst part is this. Yeah. Perfect. Goes to the Tran. I want to T-Wave this boy. Very annoying heat Tran. Perfect. The chip damage squad. Let's go to my Tenta. Spin. I want to spin on this boy. Okay, nice. I want to go to my Snowbama. He spins as well. So, how much is this? Scizor at 100%. Annoying Scizor. I go to my Scams. I want to spike up. Nice. Is he gonna taunt? Yeah, let him taunt me. He taunts me. Okay. Now, yeah, I think I click the earthquake on this Scizor. He's gonna take the hail damage. He's gonna take this earthquake damage. 45. Oh, come on! Just a little bit more chip damage. Go to my Scams on his roost. Let's roost up, I guess. If he goes to the stars, I goes to the Gliss. Go to Mammy. Oxman never melt ice. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Do I get this? I want to earthquake this boy. This as let's go for a flinch. Try to go for a flinch. Come on. So, what does he do here? He goes to the storms. Snowbama. Let's get the hail going. Spins. Yeah, he has. Let's go to U. Let's get the shits up. Goes to storms. Go to my Snowbama. Okay, I wanna go to my Zam. I'm clicking it. Yeah, eat it. Eat. Perfect. Yeah, I think we got what we needed. We got what we needed. This is a defensive Shizard. We got what we needed. Yeah. We can't let this heal up. We cannot let this heal up at any cost. I think our Snowbama should go in. Because here, the heat train is 96. Here I click the Giga Drain. Wanna earthquake this boy. Cook this off. I like a Zam sacrifice. The Zam sacrifice. Go to Storms. He bullet punches me. I'm gonna Brave Bird this boy and kill it off. Yeah. Alakazam sacrifice! Alakazam sacrifice! Can we do it, bros? Can we do it, boys? Boys, can we do it? Boys! I cannot sack this. Mammy looks so good. Mammy looks insane. Wish I had the never melt. Oh, we have freeze dry, right? We have the freeze dry. I wanna say I wanna go to you. He goes for the beam. I wanna throw this shadow ball. Nice. Shadow ball once and then we get a shits up. He's running out of recovers. He has 9 left. Oh, Speedef free. Yeah, let him go to the Gliss. I don't mind. At this point, I don't need my Tenta, but Tenta can be kind of okay-ish. Go to you. Goes to Superstars. Think he recovers here, right? Let's go to my Snowbama on the recover. I wanna just Giga Drain something. Goes to Clef. Clef is gonna take all that good damage. This is Speedef. Okay. So, guess who comes in now? Guess who comes in? Wishes. Whom is he gonna wish to? I will crash you. I wish I had the never melt ice. Oh, this took insane damage. 52. Yeah, if I kill this, my Snowbama just wins, so I want my chip damage on this. I kill this, my Snowbama just wins on spot. Yeah, I just kinda kill you and win. Perfect. Nice. And here what I do is I go to you. Yeah, because I don't want to give him the net recovery. I don't want to give him and this is over. This is a wrap. Stall wrapped. Alakazam sacrificed! The goat Alakazam! The absolute monster! Monstrosity Alakazam. He can't freeze me. You cannot freeze me. Yeah, he can't freeze me. It did 0 damage, 0. The monstrosity Alakazam sacrificed for the 5 punch of the scissor and opened up my Snowbama. Oh boy, you are gonna get cooked. Watch this Tangrowth get cooked. Cooked. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! The physical 5 punch. Oh, cooked Discord meat. Ah, I just love this. You just love this. You just love this. You just love this. GG. You just love this. Oh my god. Yeah, I just love this. The physical Alakazam sacrifice opened up. Yeah, I want to upload the replay and watch this replay first. The physical Alakazam sacrifice. You just love these games. The heat which we bring to the ladder each and every day. Oh my god. Oh my god. You just love this. Switch sides. Yeah, see that's this shit. As I said, this Alakazam is gonna put in the work. I knew. I was waiting for that very moment. I said I had too much. Yeah. Now I think we bring it in. Yup. The sacrifice. Punch in the face. Life of fire punch in the face. The sacrifice. The godly sacrifice. Oh, oh my god. Yeah, and it was a wrap from here. From here, it was a wrap, boys. Wrap it up. The chip damage squad. He tried. Abomasnow killed the whole team. Abomasnow killed the whole team. Yeah, except the Caesar. Abomasnow killed 5 mons. He killed the Heatran. Yeah. He didn't have the guts to bullet punch. I mean, to roost up here. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Abomasnow killed the whole team. Yeah. It killed the Clef. It killed the Clef. Yeah, it killed the Clef. And Hail is so good. Negates the leftovers. Yeah. Yeah, at this point it was a wrap. It killed the Heatran. It killed the Clef. It killed the Starmie. Ice Beam did Jack. Because whereas Nobama, it did Jack damage. Yeah. Oh my god. You just love to see it. Blizzard, get blizzarded. Goes to Gliscor, and yeah, you just love Blizzard. Kill the Gliscor population. How much are we at? 30. Okay, let's just get one more. Let's just get one more. Yeah, we are at 1700s with the chip damage. Physical Alakazam squad. You gotta be kidding me right now. It has 50 attack. It has base 50 attack. Yeah. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. What is happening right now? Oh, this is not MV. This is some. Once again, like, yeah, this is a huge problem. This squad is a huge problem. Huge problem. So, wanna crash him? Does a lot of damage. I wanna earthquake this boy so bad right now. I wanna earthquake the incoming Shidza so bad, but I don't think I'm in a pretty. Yeah, I can't do that. Azu looks like a monstrosity, but as long as we have, yeah, this is a huge problem. Go to my Tenta. Oh, we lose to Luke. We lost to the Luke. Yeah, we kind of lost to Luke. The spin off. We lost to the Luke. Yeah, we can't do anything versus Luke. I mean, Tenta has a lot of work this game. Tenta has a lot to do. Okay, so we can't let that Luke set up. If that Luke sets up, we are in trouble. My Scam will live a close combat, so I have to be very careful about that. Oh, nice. Yeah, he waterfalls me. Okay, we got the spin off. Let's sludge bomb this boy. We are faster than Gengar. He waterfalls Citrus Berry. Wanna sludge again. I don't need to predict. As I said. He goes to the D-Knight. He goes to the huge problem. My Snowbomb isn't doing much except get rid of the multi-scale. That's his only job. Okay, I don't know what this set is, but I think I can Blizzard here. Wow. This is Life Orb. I think this is Life Orb, right? This took some insane damage. I don't need this much. Do we break? Yeah, we broke the multi-scale. Blissey looks kind of okayish because that Gengar might get out of hand. Go to my Super Storms. Oh, he's Life Orb U-turn. Ooh. That's why that Blizzard did that much damage. Goes to the guard. I think he's switching because he knows about Blissey, right? I wanna get my one layered up and lose to the Luke. This looks like Stella Scarf. Want a T-Wave? I wanna get him up. Oh. Okay. You might get out of hand, but let's go to my scams and hope to roost. Outrageous me. Please, can we get this roost off? Nice, amazing. Yeah, we need this roost off. Oh, he has fire punch as well. Oh shit. You know what I can do? He is like, okay. I think it's time for the. Yeah, we should be faster because we're running a lot of speed. Yeah, we are faster than this. He is Yachi as well, so yeah. So he can't SD with the Luke. He can't SD. We have the we have the earthquake, so he can't SD. This earthquake will do hefty chunk if he tries. Yeah, as I said, we have the earthquake. This is gonna die, or yeah, it's gonna get in ice shot range and life up range and yeah, all that good stuff. Yeah, kill me off. Let's bring it. Let's bring it in. We don't leave a bullet punch, but we are minus speed of nature. Let's see if we can live this BP. I don't think we do. Yeah, we don't leave a bullet punch. But at this point of time, guess who wins? My Scam kind of wins, and I wanna road this. I wanna get some layers. Get some layers. Wanna road this, or he breaks my bricks. Now there isn't a single move he can lock himself, and I think this is in my Miami range. Yeah, don't ask me why road over whirlwind, soundproof and all that stuff. I just like road, that is why. If you like something, go for it. I just like road. I think that should be a good answer. Yeah, and let's shard him. And I think it kills. We are adamant, never melt ice, or ice never melts, and that's good game. Yeah, GG. We are at 1698, so yep, we are 1698 with the life of physical Alakazam. That was the game. What was the game? Not this game. That replay. Yeah, this was the game. This was the main game. Yeah, the Alakazam sacrifice on the Shidzer opened up the Snow Bomber. Perfect. Amazing life. Absolutely amazing, smashing life. So this is gonna be it for today, guys. The physical Alakazam terrorizes BDSP OU 1700s, almost at top 100. Yeah. So guys, yep. Get us to 5K. Like the video because this was a heat video, and most importantly, guys, stay safe, guys. Bye bye.